Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie and you're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie. Today I have something to show you that I bought from Sparkle Queen Creations. So you know how colorful and rainbowy goodness her company is. So if you want to see what I got, stick around. Okay, so I ordered this in February and I got it in February. She had them in stock. I don't know if she still does. It took me a while to get to recording because there's just been chaos going on in my life. But here is the package, and I do believe I bought 3 of these, and it's been so long I don't even remember. So let's open this up and take a look. I don't know if I want to cut the bag because it's so pretty. It's so sticky too. Okay, I might have to cut it. I am not that strong anymore. Let's see. There we go. Okay, there. Okay. So, here they are. All right. What do we have? I have four different ones. Sparkle winner. I don't know if that means I won a prize or what. Okay, these are a little smaller than I thought, but they're gonna be cute. So, all right. Oh, I'll explain what they are here in a second. All right, so here is her card. This is Mitzi's company, Sparkle Queen Creations. And there is her social media information. All right, there. Got it. Okay, and I got some pretty stickers. She's got her own little decal going on now. That's awesome. And she always sends such cute stickers. I got lots of unicorn stickers this time. Oh, I love the unicorns. Oh my gosh. And this is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that elephant. I love you. I love you too, Mitzi. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, they're stickers. And I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so let's see what's in this bag first. Okay. Sparkle winner. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that's something I bought or if I'm a winner of something. Oh gosh. Oh, there we go. Okay, sparkle winner. Not sure. Oh, I did. I won a thank you Sparkle SQC. It's a glow in the dark little dinky cover reminder. Congrats on winning a Sparkle ticket. This gets you the only extra large set there is and a free $10 gift card. Oh, code. Ooh, don't look at my code. So I get $10 off my next order of $50 or more. Wow. So I won something. That's awesome. That is so cute. That is so tiny and it's so adorable. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, there you are. Oh, cool. I had no idea. And I've had it for 2 months. All right. So, okay, this is more like the size that I thought they would be right here. So this is what these are. These are shrinkable color minders, okay? So you're going to use permanent markers or colored pencils, and you're going to color between the lines on the rough side. Do not use water-based products, including washable markers. Ensure the area is dry before coloring your color minder. If you accidentally scratch your color minder, use an ultra-fine Sharpie to fill in the scratched area. And then you put it in the oven to shrink it. You can use a toaster oven or a big oven, and then afterwards you glue on the magnets, and you have a Shrinky Dink cover minder. So there were 4 different sets that I picked, and this, okay, these are extra large sets, I guess. That's why this says this gets the only extra large set there is. This gets you in gets ya the only extra large set there is. This gets okay, so this ticket gets me an extra large set, I guess. I don't know. I'll have to ask her. Oh boy. And because this is a big set. The other ones are smaller and they're different themed. So, yeah, so these are made out of, I don't know what this is made out of, but yeah. So they're a special material. And I mean, if I wanted to, yeah, I could even probably trim it down even more. But I don't know how small they're going to get. So I don't know that I want to, but definitely I'm going to color these and see how they turn out. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this one. I know there was a couple that were like the last of the batch. They didn't have very many, and I got like the last one. I don't remember if that was this one or not. I don't have the only Sharpie I have here. Wait, I have a couple colors. Let me see, because I just want to try it out and see, because I've got these colors here, and then black, of course. So thinking maybe I'll just do a little bit on this red roses. So I have extra the super fine ones, so those will probably be better to use on like especially this one. I could probably use the bigger ones, the fine points, and then on the bigger ones, but then the extra fine on the smaller stuff, because I like to color detail. I don't want want a bunch of white spots. And then you have a unique cover minder that you can have of your very own, and she actually has a monthly subscription for these, and you can save on your first purchase if you do it that way. If you buy your first pack as it's the club, some kind of what are these called? Shrinkable color minder club. If you get that, then it's a little less than what I paid for each one of these. And then you get a different one each month. So here are the magnets, because, there's 2 magnets for a cover minder. And so one side is the one that you put on the back after it's shrunk, and the other one is the one that you use on the opposite side of your canvas. So this is nice. They have all of them separated like this so that they don't clump up and just come in a big stack, because they're easy to break if you don't watch what you're doing. Like, what did I do? Oh, there we go. Okay. So I just slid it off there, and it went to one of the others. All right, so there's this pack, and I think this is a sloth. My my stepmom is really into sloths lately, so I don't know. I might make one, give it to her as a magnet. But I love the mermaids and unicorns and stuff like that. So that's why I picked this one. And it ended up being a winner. This one is, I don't know if the names of them are on here, but this doesn't say. They don't say specifically which pack I got. It's on my online if I went and looked, but this is one of the other ones. And then you can see some are going to be smaller than the others. That's why there's some of these magnets are even smaller than the others. You can see there's going to be 3 little tiny ones and then 3 that are going to be a bit bigger. And she put a little paper clip on there so that the magnets would magnetize to that. That's cute. Oh, this one had it too. Oh, these are adorable. I got adorable little clips too.
Can I see?
That I get to keep. They're just clips.
Ooh,
but they're pretty. Yeah, so here we go. And these are mandalas. This one's a Santa Claus and a flower web and a heart. See, I like to do the blocks of colors like this. I'm not really good at matching colors, but if I can do rainbow, yeah, that'll work. There is a rainbow. And another one and another one. So there's 6 in this one, and there were 6 in the first one. And let's see this next one. They've got quite a few different. She's got quite a few different packs to choose from too. I believe it was. I don't want to say the wrong price, so I'll just link it down below. The listing for the Shrinky Dinks down in the description box, so please be sure to check the box for the links. There's going to be other links in there that you may find useful. Now this one's got 5 dinky ones and then one that's a little bit bigger. And what do we got on this? They're getting smaller and smaller. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a really, really tiny one if it's going to shrink from that. But I couldn't imagine coloring something any smaller than that. So it's good that it's at least this big so I can put some rainbow colors on there. There's quite a few on this. Well, let's say show 6. Feels like there's more. Let's see, there's 1, 2, maybe there's 6. 3. These are lots of rainbows. I like that one. The kitty corn. 4. It felt like it was more than 6.
I want to see the kitty corn.
It's right there.
Kitty corn.
And yeah, this is the rainbow pack, I guess, because I got 6 of them there. And let me show you this one a little closer because this one's just hard to see down there on the table. And then this has roses at the end of it. And then we've got one more. I just couldn't decide which one. I wanted them all. And I thought maybe this would be something Tesslynn would do with me.
What?
Color these, and then we put them in the oven and they shrink.
What? Why?
You color them and then they shrink.
Why? Why do you want to shrink
Of
them?
course she's going to say why.
Why
So,
do you
because they turn into hard plastic things like this, so that they're more durable. Yeah, these don't have the actual name of the pack I bought on them.
Will it take forever?
No. And yeah, this one looks like it's made out of a little different material. Yeah, this is a little bit more see-through. These, I think these might be glow in the dark.
Can I see?
If I remember. I like this one. This is the Halloween set. And it says pick your poison. And this one has a ghosty with the cauldron. And this has a skull with a diamond in the forehead. And then this is a spider web window, maybe. And here we have a little graveyard. Oops. A graveyard with a ghost popping out. And then we have another skull. And I'm going to check these really quick to see if they glow. I'm going to just stick it up to my light here. And then come, oh yeah, it definitely glows. You can actually kind of see how it's, yeah, I'll, Alexa, turn off the living room. All right, I just put it under my light and you can see how it's green. It's glowing.
Oh, yeah.
So yes, this set glows in the dark. Right there. I think Tesslynn thinks I'm talking to her. So yeah, that is super cool about this set here. I don't know if they had another Halloween set. I couldn't remember, but I do think that they had 2 different sets at least that were glow in the dark. Alexa, turn on the living room. There we go, a little bit more light back on the subject here. And these all have the 6 dinky magnets, so I'm guessing these are going to shrink pretty small. So there's that. And I love the little heart that they put them on. So there we go. I thought these were super interesting. I'd never seen anything like this before, and leave it to Mitzi at Sparkle Queen Creations to be the one to come up with something like this. And yeah, I'd like to hear your thoughts on it. Have you guys purchased any of these from her shop yet? Have you joined the club? Let me know down below. I would be very interested to know what you think. Have you done any kind of cover minders that you've shrunk down? How did they turn out for you? Did you like it? Did you use colored pencils or did you use markers? So yeah, I would love to hear from you guys. So please leave me a comment and don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and check out the links down below, guys. There's many different ways you can help to support my channel. If you're looking to do that in one way or the other, if you check out my link tree, I have other options for, a non-subscription based way of helping. But either way, guys, I appreciate you watching my videos and even just stopping by to say hi. Hitting that thumbs up really gives me a great confidence booster to know that you guys are watching. And the more you like and the more of the video that you watch, if you watch all the way to the end, it really helps my videos be seen. And since things have the pandemic, my channel isn't like one of the only diamond painting channels out there anymore. There's about 1 million of them, and so it's a lot harder for my videos to be seen anymore because I don't post as often as I used to, and there are a lot more videos out there. So my videos aren't being suggested as much as they used to be. So how you can help me get more noticed is just by liking, making a comment, and watching the video to the end. So thank you very much for making it this far. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in my next video. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.